Hello children, Sai Ram. Children, in the previous video, we have completed writing in the mathematics textbook till page number 14, question number 10. Today children, we are going to continue with our chapter 1, numbers 1 to 9, revision part 2. Children, open your mathematics textbook. Take out a pencil and eraser. Okay, now open page number 14. Let us do question number 11. Let us write question number 11. Here we have to put the correct sign. More than, less than or equal. Ready children? Okay. 3 is less than 5. So let us put the less than sign. Finished? Okay. Now let us move on to question B. Children, 2 is more than 1. Therefore, let us put the sign for more than. Now let us go to question C. Children, which number is more or which number is less than? Think. Yes, number 6 is more than number 3. Therefore, let us put the more than sign. Let us go to question D. Children, on the left hand side we have number 7 and on the right hand side we have number 7. So now what sign will we put? More than, less than or equal? Yes, we are going to put equal sign. Number 7 is equal to 7. Now let us move on to question E. Children, 5 is less than number 8. So let us put the correct sign less than. Now let us do question F. Here children, tell me which sign will come? More than, less than or equal to? Yes, you are right. 9 is more than number 2. So let us put the sign more than. Now children, let us do question number 12. Here children, we have to count the number of objects and write in the second square. Then write the number that comes just before 8. So children, are you all ready? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many kites are there? 4 kites. So write number 4 in the second square. Finish writing? Yes. Now children, tell me which is the number that comes before 4? Yes, you are right. Number 3. So write number 3 in the before box. Now children, let us do question B. Wow, it's rainy season and see how many umbrellas are there. Okay, count and see how many umbrellas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 in the second box. Now children, tell me which is the number that is before 6? Yes, number 5. So write number 5. Finish children? Can we move on to the next? Okay. Children, let us do the next one. Children, count and see how many cars are there. 1, 2. So let us write number 2 in the second box. Now, tell me which is the before number? Yes, 1. Write number 1 in the box. Now, did you all finish writing? Okay. Now, let us go to the next question, that is D. Children, how many turtles are there? Count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let us write number 5 in the second box. Now, which is the before number? 4. So, let's write 4. Now, children, let us do question number 13. Here, children, we have to write the number that comes just before the given number. Okay? Look carefully. Okay. Which number will come before 7? Yes, number 6. So, write number 6. Now, next one. Which number will come before 2? Yes, number 1. Children, write number 1. Now, let us do the next one, that is C. Which number will come before 8? Say fast. Yes, you are right. Number 7. So, write number 7. Now, let us go to the next one, that is question D. Which is the number that will come before 3? Yes, number 2. So, write children number 2. Finished? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Children, which number will come before 9? Number 8. Write number 8. Now, let us go to the next one. That is question F. Which number will come before 4? Yes, number 3. So, write number 3. Finished, children? Did you all enjoy? Okay. Now, let us go to the next question. That is on the next page. Children, slowly turn the page. Page number 16. Page number 16. Here, children, we have to write the number that comes just after the given number. Earlier we wrote the before number. Now we are going to write the after number. Ready, children? Which number will come after 2? Number 3. So write number 3. Now, children, which is the number that will come after 5? Number 6. Write number 6. Now, let us go to question C. Which number will come after 8? Yes, number 9. Come on, children, write number 9. Now, let us go to question D. Which number will come after 6? Number 7. Write number 7. Now, let us do question E. Children, tell me which is the number that will come after 4? Yes, number 5. So, write number 5. Now, which number will come after 3? Number 4. So, let us write number 4. Now, let us do question G. Here, children, which number will come after number 1? Yes, number 2. Write number 2. Now let us do the last one, that is question H. Which will be the number that will come after 7? Yes, number 8. So let us write number 8. Children, did you all finish writing? Okay, very good. Now, children, question number 16 is homework for you. Children, here you have to write the number that comes between the given numbers and color the objects. Look at question A, children. The between number is 4. So 4 balls are colored. Similarly, you have to do the remaining questions till F. Okay? 17. Children, here we have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. Children, increasing order means from smaller to bigger number. Okay? So, let us do question number B, because A is already done. Now, question number B, 6, 1, 8, 7. Now, let us arrange these numbers in increasing order. So, let us write number 1, 6, 7, 8. See, all these numbers are arranged in increasing order. Finish writing, children? Okay. Now, let us do question C. 2, 9, 5, 3. Now, we have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. That is from smaller to bigger. 2, 3, 5, 9. Finish writing, children? Okay. Now let's go to question D. Here we have numbers 3, 7, 2, 4. Let us arrange in increasing order. 2, 3, 4, 7. See, these are arranged in increasing order. Now, let us go to the next question. That is E, 1, 6, 4, 7. Children, now let us arrange this in increasing order. Ready to write? Okay. 1, 4, 6, 7. Finish writing, children? Okay. Now let us write question number F. Here 8, 6, 3, 9. We are going to arrange these numbers. That is question F. 3, 6, 8, 9. All these numbers are arranged in increasing order. Did you all finish, children? Very good. Now, children, let us do question number 18. Here, children, we have to arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Children, what is decreasing order? Yes, from bigger to smaller. See, the first one, A, 3, 7, 5, 8 is already done. So, let us do question B. We are going to arrange the numbers 4, 2, 9 and 1 in decreasing order. Ready? 9, 4, 2, 1. Children, neatly write it down in your book. Finished? Okay. Now, let us arrange the next question, that is C. 8, 1, 3, 5. Ready? 8, 5, 3, 1. Finish, children? Here we have arranged these numbers in decreasing order. Now let us do question D, that is 7, 2, 4, 6. Ready, children? 7, 6, 4, 2. Finish writing? Okay. Now let us do question E. 1, 6, 8, 4. Let us arrange them in decreasing order. 8, 6, 4, 1. Finish, children? Now let us do the next one, that is question F. 5, 6, 9, 2. Now let us arrange these numbers in decreasing order. 9, 6, 5, 2. Children, these numbers are arranged in decreasing order. Finish writing, children? Okay. Now, here again we have little genius. Children, we are going to fill in the missing numbers. Ready, children? Let us do the first question, that is A. 1. After 2, which number will come? 3. Next, 4. Next, 5. After 6, what will come? 7. Did you all finish writing? Okay, now let's go to question B. Here, children, we are going to fill in the missing numbers. Now, children, let us do question B. Children, which number will come before 6? Yes, number 5. Now, which is the number before 5? 4. It is written there. So now say, which number will come before 4? 3. So write number 3. Now, which number will come before 3? Number 2. Which number will come before 2? Number 1. Finish writing, children? Okay. Now, let us write question D. Ready? Children, now let us do question C. Which number will come after 3? Number 4. Write 4, children. Now tell me, which number will come after 4? Number 5. All of you write number 5. Okay. Now, which number will come after 6? Number 7. So, write number 7. Finished? Okay. Which number will come after 7? Say fast. Yes, number 8. All of you write number 8. After number 8, what number will come? Yes, number 9. So write number 9. Very good. Finished? Now let us do the next question, that is D. Here, children, What is the number here? Number 8. Which number will come before 8? 7. So write number 7. Now which number will come before 7? Number 6. Which number will come before 5? Number 4. Which number will come before 4? Number 3. Finish writing, children? Very good. Now slowly turn your page. Now children, slowly turn the page. Okay? Come to page number 18. Ready? Okay. Now here we are going to do question number 1 in how much do you know? Children, here we are going to write the number names for the given numbers. Children, which is the first number? That is question A here. Number 3. So let us write the number name for 3. T H R E E. What is the spelling of 3? T H R E E. Finish writing, children. Now let us do question B. We have to write the number name for 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Write it down, children. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Finished? Now let's do the next question C. Which is this number, children? 5. So let us write the number name for 5. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Finish writing? Okay. Now let us write question D. Which is this number? 8. So let us write the number name for 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Finish writing, children? Okay. Children, now let us do question number 3. Fill in the empty boxes. Children, here we have 4 bananas on the left hand side. And on the right hand side we have 0 bananas left in the bowl. That means how many bananas the boy has taken away? 4. That is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now finish writing? Okay. Now let us do question B on the next page. Here, children, how many glasses of milk is there? 3. And glasses of milk drunk? 3. Therefore 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now how many glasses are left? 0 glasses. So children, write 0. Now children, let us do question C. Children, count and see how many apples are there in the bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the girl has eaten all the 6 apples. So now how many apples are there in the bowl? 0. Therefore 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now children, let us do question number 4. Put the correct sign more than, less than or equal. Now let us do question A. Children, number 1 is less than number 5. So let us put the less than sign. Now let us do question B. Here children, number 4 is more than number 3. So let us put the more than sign. Finish writing children? Okay. Now let us do question C. Number 6 is less than number 9. Therefore, let us put the correct sign less than. Finished? Okay. Now let us do question D. Here children, number 2 is equal to number 2. Therefore, let us put the equal sign. Finish writing children? Okay. Now children, let us do question number 5. Here we have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. Let us do the first one. A. 7, 3, 1, 4. Now let us arrange these numbers in increasing order. 1, 3, 4, 7. Write it down children. Finished? Okay. Now let us do question B. Numbers are 2, 4, 8, 6. Now let us arrange in increasing order. Increasing order means smaller to bigger. Let us write now 2, 4, 6, 8. Finish writing children? Okay. Now let us go to question C. Here we have the numbers 5, 3, 9, 2. Now let us arrange them in increasing order. 2, 3, 5, 9. All these numbers are arranged in increasing order. Everyone finish writing? Very good. Let us move on to question number 6. Here children, we are going to arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Ready children? Let us do the first one, that is question A. We are going to arrange the numbers 7, 3, 1, 4 in decreasing order. Children, what do you mean by decreasing order? Yes, we are going to arrange them from bigger to the smaller number. Ready? So let us write number 7 first. 4, 3, 1. Finished? Okay. Now children, let us do question B. That is number 2, 4, 8 and 6. Let us arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Let us write 8 first. 8, 6, 4, 2. Finish children? Okay. Children, now let us do question C. That is numbers are 5, 3, 9, 2. Let us arrange these numbers in decreasing order. 9, 5, 3, 2. So children, these numbers are arranged in decreasing order. Finish writing children? Okay. Now slowly turn the page. That is page number 2020. Ready? Ready with page number 2020? Okay. Here children, we are going to do Question number 7. We have to write the number that comes before, after or in between. Ready, children? Let us do the first one. A. Now, which number will come before 6? 5. So, write down 5. Now, let us do question B. Which number will come after 3? 4. Write down 4. Now, children, let us do question C. Which number will come after 7, children? Yes, number 8. So, write number 8, children. Very good. Now, let us do question D. Which number will come in between 4 and 6? Come on, think. Yes, number 5. So, write number 5. Now, let us do question E. Which number will come in between 2 and 4? Yes, number 3. So, write down 3. Now, let's do question F. Which number will come before 8? 7. Write down 7, children. Now, let us go to question G. Which number will come after 1? Number 2. So, write down number 2. Now, let's go to question H. Which number will come before 9? Number 8. Come on, write 8. Now, let's go to question I. Which number will come in between 5 and 7? Number 6. Write down number 6. Children, finish writing? Okay. Now, all of you finish writing? Very good. Now, children, here you have to count and match the numbers to the number of objects. That is, match the numbers with the pictures. This is homework for you. Now, this one is also homework for you. Here, children, you have to join the dots from number 1 to 9 and complete the pictures and color them nicely. Okay, children? So, children, today we have completed writing in mathematics book chapter 1 numbers 1 to 9. Okay? Bye, children. Take care.